Hi there, and welcome to another episode of English Expressions. Today, we're going to look at the expression one size fits all. Scenario: you're looking for a simple solution that is a one size fits all approach. Example: imagine you're organizing a team building activity for your company. Instead of planning different activities for each department, you opt for a one-size-fits-all approach with a scavenger hunt that everyone can participate in. Scenario: you're tasked with finding a gift that will please everyone, regardless of their preferences. Example: picture yourself shopping for a gift for a friend whose taste you're not quite sure of. A gift card to their favorite store is the ultimate one-size-fits-all solution, ensuring they get exactly what they want. Scenario: you need to plan meals that accommodate various dietary restrictions within your family. Example: consider a busy parent trying to plan meals for the week. With a one-size-fits-all meal prep strategy, they can create versatile dishes that cater to everyone's dietary preferences and save time in the kitchen. Scenario: you're packing for a trip and want to minimize the number of clothes you bring while ensuring you're prepared for any occasion. Example: envision a traveler packing for a trip around the world. With a capsule wardrobe consisting of versatile pieces, they embrace a one-size-fits-all approach to fashion, ensuring they're prepared for any destination or occasion. Scenario: you're implementing new software in your business and want to ensure it meets the needs of all of your employees. Example: imagine a business owner implementing a new software system. By choosing a user-friendly platform with customizable features, they ensure a one-size-fits-all solution that meets the needs of their entire team. And there you have it, a few activities that you can think about and use the phrase one size fits all. This is all in conjunction with your becoming a superhero and using the phrases one size fits all. I want to thank you for joining me on the journey today of learning the phrase one size fits all. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and comment. And of course, subscribe so that you don't miss any episodes that I create in the future. Bye for now.